Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para darle alegría y cosa buena. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, hey Macarena. Hey Macarena, Macarena, 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 Macarena. Hey, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, let him give me 1 minute. Hey Macarena, aight, when I'm in this bitch.
Hello you guys, I'm Magima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing my favorite makeup of 2020. So this is like a favorites video. So I'm doing this video because I know many of you might not have the products which I have, and I wanted to recommend products which are my favorite and which I have tried and tested. So all of these products are my personal favorite, and the reason why I am not able to do like monthly favorites is because I don't buy products like every month, so that is why I'm not able to do my monthly favorites. But yeah, I can give you like my full year favorite makeup or like favorite skincare videos, because it makes sense, because I don't buy like makeup every month, not even like in 2 or 3 months. Mostly I buy makeup or skincare like after 4 to 5 months. So, and those products are not also like too much. So yeah, that is why I thought I should do like my like every year favorites rather than monthly favorites. So yeah, enough of blabbering. Now without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Like many products in here. I have many lipsticks also, but okay, let's start with foundation. So my favorite foundation of 2020 is this. So this is the Maybelline's Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 330 Toffee. So this is my favorite like foundation of 2020. I'm still using it. It is like a beautiful foundation. I have tried the Nykaa Skin Genius one. I have it here with me, but this is not that good like how the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is. And I even have like the Blue Heaven one. So yeah, this is, so I have like total 3 foundations, but my favorite is this one, and I totally recommend you all like this foundation. Then next up I have concealer. So as you all know that I have like total of 3 concealers. One is this one. This is the Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind concealer, and this is the best concealer I have used. I have the Maybelline Fit Me one and even the Insight one. They are like, both of them are like okayish, but this is my favorite. And yeah, you should definitely try it. I will recommend this to you all. And okay, my shade in this is 130 medium. So the next thing I have is eyeliner, and this is the Lakme's Insta eyeliner, and this is my favorite eyeliner. I have eyeliners by Blue Heaven also. They are also like good eyeliners. This is like a bit more on the expensive side. I wouldn't say expensive, but this is definitely like more than the Blue Heaven one. This is for 120 I believe, and the Blue Heaven one is like for 55 rupees, but that is also good. But this is my favorite eyeliner. I am still trying out those eyeliner, but yeah, you should definitely go for this one if you don't have any good eyeliners. Then the next thing I have here is mascara, and again I have one more product by Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, and this is the washable mascara. I didn't get like a waterproof mascara because I think I don't need waterproof mascara because I don't apply mascara when I go out of my house. So yeah, I use this only for my shoot, so there's no point. But this is like my favorite mascara. You can just build it up and it gives like a nice volume and length to your eyelashes. So yeah, you should definitely try this one. Then the next product I have here is eyeshadow palette, and this is by Makeup Revolution. It's their Flawless Resurrection palette. Let me just open this for you guys. So this is how it looks like. This is like a a nice gold, rose gold outer packaging, and even I can see myself in this. So yeah, and you have got like a full size mirror here, and these are the shades. Look how beautiful the palette is. Like you have got like 6 shimmery shades here, and then rest all of the shades are matte. And as you can see, I have used it like too much because I like this product. You should definitely like give it a try. You get more palettes under 1000 like the Revolution palette, but I think this palette will cost you above 1000. I think I got this palette for 1750 if I'm not wrong. I think, yeah, I think this palette cost rupees 1750. I can find it here, but it says that it's cruelty free and vegan. So yeah, you should definitely try this palette if you haven't tried any good palettes. And then the next product I have 2 highlighters. So both of these highlighters are my favorite. So the first one is this. Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is like the best highlighter I have used. This is in the shade 100 Molten Gold, and this suits like medium to darker skin tone, and I really love this highlighter. Look how beautiful it looks, and it gives like a glow from within kind of glow. And I don't know, this retails for like 550, but you get it on offer on Nykaa. You'll get it on offer. So yeah, but you should definitely try this highlighter. I think you get like more not variants, like shades. I think like you get in like pink one also. So yeah. Then the next highlighter is this. So this is by Wet n Wild, and it's their Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals, and this will also suit for like medium to darker skin tone. And this is also like a beautiful highlighter. This also gives you, this also gives like a glow from within kind of a glow. This cost you for like 599 rupees, but again you will get on discount on Nykaa. You can check it, or you can check on like Amazon also. Even all of these products which I have shown, you can get it on Amazon also, if I'm not wrong, because I have not seen I didn't get like any makeup products from Amazon. So yeah, but you should like search it up and see if it is available on there. So this is how the highlighter looks like, and let me show you the swatch. Look how beautiful this highlighter is. This also gives you like a glow from within. So like if you ask me that which highlighter gives like a more glow from within, I will choose the Wet n Wild, because this one also gives like a glow from within, but this is like a blinding highlighter, if you know what I mean. And but this is like a subtle highlighter. So yeah, you should definitely try both of this if you haven't. Then the last recommendation I have, or last favorite products I have, are lip products. So I got this Dio by Smashbox, like the combo pack, and this is these are the two Smashbox lipsticks in the mini version, and I think both of this cost me 990 rupees. And so this is like the Gulabe, the shade name is Gulabe, and this is like Boss. Yeah, so both of these shades are like very pretty. But I think the bigger Smashbox lipsticks, I think you get it for 2100 or something, like on that lines. So I think if you want to try Smashbox lipsticks, you should definitely go for this mini version Duo. The next lip product I have here is by Miss Claire, and it's their soft matte lip creme, and it's in the shade 58, and this is how it looks like. This is a lip creme, and this is what I'm wearing right now. It's very comfortable on your lips. When you apply it, it looks like a gloss, but it gives like a matte finish, as y'all can see. And this is like a beautiful lip product. The next product I have here is by Nicka K New York True Matte, and this is in the shade Turkish Rose, and this is how it looks like. This is like a pretty shade, and this retails for rupees 395, but I got it for like 195 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so you can definitely find it again on Nykaa. Yeah, and even I think you can find this on Amazon. Yeah, but search it up. If you get this, then you should get this. Then the next product I have here are these two products. So both of them are by Nykaa, and it's their Wonder Puff Cushion lipsticks. Yeah, so this one is in the shade Buttercup, and this one is in the shade Dream On. Both of these are like a beautiful shade. You have to just press it here, and then you get like a product. So this is how it looks like. They are very comfortable on your lips. Look. And this is Buttercup. So both of them are like a nudie kind of a shade. The Dream On one is like a little bit dark, but the Buttercup is like a proper nude, but lighter than the Dream On. And both of these cushion lipsticks are like very comfortable on your lips. Like, it doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips. So you should definitely try both of this. I just carry like the Buttercup or the Dream On in my pouch, and I'm good to go. Yeah, but if you eat anything, then you need to touch up this cushion lipsticks, but that is not a problem. And yeah, that was all for my video today, you guys. I hope that you will try these products out on my recommendation. These products work very fine and very good on your skin, because this worked very good on me. And this, all of these products are like my personal favorite products. I am not like just saying that that these are like my favorite products. I have personally used them, and they really suit me, and I really like all of these products. That is why I am recommending these products to you. And if you like, if you are searching for like lip products, eye products, or highlighter maybe, then you should definitely give like these products a try if you haven't. And if you just try these products, then comment me down in the comment section that how good this works on your skin, and is it like worth it or not. And yeah, that's all for my video today, you guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is ekima_24, and also follow me on my other account, the Siva Style Store. And yeah, I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.